Want to create your very own talking avatar that looks professional, sounds realistic, and takes just minutes to make? Stick around, because I'm about to show you how to do it step by step using powerful AI tools, all for free or almost free. Let's dive in. Hi everyone, and welcome to AI Unlock. Here, I teach you how to use AI tools to unlock creativity, growth, and profitability. Today, we're diving into how to make a talking AI avatar from scratch, no design or editing experience required. Make sure to like this video and hit subscribe for more awesome AI tutorials. Now, let's create some AI magic. The first step is to create a crisp, straight-facing image for your avatar. Here's how. Choose a text-to-image tool. You can use any of these tools. Leonardo AI, known for its highly detailed images. Bing Image Creator, fast and free, powered by DALL-E. Ideogram, perfect for generating creative and high-quality outputs. Write your prompt. Be specific about the image you want. For example, type a futuristic male avatar with a professional suit, sharp facial features, clean background, straight face. Generate and download. Once you've created the perfect image, download it. This will be the face of your avatar. Next, let's give your avatar a voice. We'll use 11 Labs for this, which offers 10,000 free words in their free plan. Follow these steps. Sign up on 11 Labs, it's quick and free. Write your script, decide what you want your avatar to say. Write it down in a text document. Upload or type your script, in 11 Labs, paste or upload your script, then choose a voice style. Generate and download. The tool creates a natural-sounding voiceover in seconds. Simply download the audio file. Here comes the fun part, bringing the avatar to life. We'll use Artflow.ai to sync the image and voiceover. Here's how. Create an account on Artflow.ai, you'll get 100 free credits. Each video costs 50 credits. Upload your image, use the image you created in Step 1. Upload your voiceover, add the audio file from Step 2. Choose Animation Effects, explore Artflow's Effects section to pick the style that fits your avatar's personality. Export your video. Once you're happy with the setup, hit Export. Artflow will process and render your video. This might take a few minutes, but the result is a smooth, talking avatar ready to use. Your avatar is ready.
Without wasting even a single second, I'm going to reveal the secret of how YouTubers, such as those behind 10x Income, Digital Income Project, Profit Multiplier, and many other faceless channel creators, create their animated talking avatars. These
You can now use it for YouTube videos, presentations, or social media content. Just upload it to your platform, and you're good to go. That's it, folks, your AI-powered talking avatar is done in just 3 easy steps. If you enjoyed this tutorial, smash the like button and subscribe to my channel, AI Unlock, for more AI hacks and tips to supercharge your creativity. Comment below and tell me how you're planning to use your AI avatar. I'd love to hear your ideas. Thanks for watching, and remember, with AI, the possibilities are endless. Keep exploring, keep creating, and I'll see you in the next video. Subscribe for more AI tips and tricks.